Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Gerald. Today's episode is about growing root vegetables. Hello, fellow gardeners. Today, let's discover how easy it is to grow root vegetables like carrots, beets, and radishes, even if you only have a patio or balcony. Container gardening lets you control your soil, so you can create the perfect, loose, nutrient-rich mix for straight, healthy roots. Pots are portable. Move them to chase the sun or isolate a sick plant. Less bending and kneeling means gardening is easier on your back. Even with limited space, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown veggies. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's start growing root veggies together. Now, let's pick what to grow. Choosing the right crops is the first step to a successful container garden, especially if you're working with limited space or just starting out. Root vegetables are a fantastic choice because they don't need a lot of room to thrive, and they're fun to watch as they grow. Short carrots like Chantenay or Thumbelina, beets such as Detroit Dark Red, and quick-growing radishes like Cherry Belle are all excellent options for containers. These varieties are bred to grow well in smaller spaces and mature quickly, so you can enjoy fresh harvests even if you're gardening on a balcony or patio. When it comes to containers, depth is key. Choose deep pots, at least 12 inches for carrots and beets and 6 to 8 inches for radishes. Deeper containers give roots plenty of space to develop, which leads to healthier, better-shaped vegetables. Consider the material of your container too. Fabric grow bags are lightweight, affordable, and offer great drainage, making them ideal for root crops. They're also easy to move around and store when not in use. No matter what type of container you choose, always ensure it has drainage holes. Good drainage prevents water from pooling at the bottom, which can cause roots to rot and plants to fail. For soil, use a loose, sandy potting mix. Combine high-quality potting soil with compost for nutrients and add perlite or sand to improve drainage and aeration. This blend helps roots grow strong and prevents compacted soil. Take a few extra minutes to sift out any large clumps or debris. A fluffy, well-aerated mix is much easier for delicate roots to push through, leading to healthier plants and bigger harvests. With the right container and soil, you're setting yourself up for a bountiful harvest of delicious, homegrown root vegetables. Let's get planting and watch your garden come to life. Root veggies love cool weather, making them perfect for planting in early spring or as summer winds down. These underground treasures thrive when the air is crisp, and the soil is just beginning to warm up. Before you start, choose a large container with good drainage and fill it with a rich, loose potting mix. This gives your root vegetables plenty of room to grow long and straight, without hitting obstacles. Water your soil thoroughly before sowing seeds, ensuring it's evenly moist but not soggy. Consistent moisture helps seeds germinate evenly and quickly. When sowing, plant carrot seeds shallowly, just beneath the surface, and space them about an inch apart. This prevents overcrowding and allows each carrot to develop fully. For beets, plant the seeds a bit deeper, about half an inch to an inch down, and space them 2 to 3 inches apart. This extra depth helps beets form round, plump roots. After sowing, cover the seeds lightly with soil or a layer of vermiculite. Water gently to avoid washing the seeds away, keeping the surface moist but not waterlogged. Keep the soil consistently moist as your seeds begin to sprout. Depending on the temperature, you'll see tiny green shoots in 1 to 3 weeks. Once seedlings appear, thin them out so each plant has enough space to grow strong roots. 2 to 3 inches apart for carrots and radishes is ideal. For beets, give them a bit more room. 3 to 4 inches between each seedling ensures they won't compete for nutrients or space. Don't throw away the thinnings. Beet greens are not only edible but also packed with nutrients. Toss them into salads or sauté them for a tasty treat. Proper spacing and care mean your root vegetables will grow bigger, healthier, and more flavorful. Each plant will have the space it needs to reach its full potential. With patience and attention, you'll soon be rewarded as your underground treasures push through the soil, ready for harvest and your table. Place your containers in a spot where they'll receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunlight is essential for healthy growth and vibrant vegetables, so choose a location that isn't shaded by trees or buildings. If you're gardening on a balcony or patio, try to rotate your containers every few days to ensure all sides of your plants get equal exposure to the sun. Water your container garden deeply, making sure the water reaches the roots. Let the top inch of soil dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Check the soil moisture regularly, especially during hot weather, as containers dry out faster than garden beds. Feed your plants with a low-nitrogen, high-phosphorus fertilizer every few weeks to encourage strong root development and abundant harvests. Organic options like bone meal or fish emulsion work well, but always follow the instructions on the label for best results. Keep an eye out for pests. Inspect leaves regularly for signs of trouble. If you spot aphids, simply knock them off with a gentle spray of water. To protect your carrots from carrot rust flies, use lightweight row covers as a barrier. Staying vigilant helps keep your plants healthy and thriving. Radishes are one of the quickest crops to mature, ready to harvest in just 3 to 5 weeks. Their fast growth makes them perfect for impatient gardeners or for introducing kids to gardening. Beets take a bit longer, usually about 2 months, but the wait is worth it for their sweet, earthy flavor and nutritious greens. Carrots need a little more patience. Expect to harvest them in up to 80 days. Their crisp texture and homegrown taste are a true reward for your efforts. When your veggies are mature, gently pull them from the soil. There's nothing more satisfying than harvesting your own fresh produce, knowing you nurtured it from seed to table. Container gardening truly makes it possible for everyone, no matter your space or experience, to enjoy fresh, homegrown food. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature and share the joy of gardening with family and friends. I'd love to hear about your container garden adventures and see the delicious veggies you've grown. Share your harvest stories and inspire others to start their own gardening journey. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.